Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another preset that I've been working on that I think is ready for release, and I'm going to give it away for free to the photography community. I'll tell you how to get it for free at the end of this video after the sample photos. But first, let me tell you my philosophy behind making these presets. So for me personally, I like to make my presets as close to a film simulation as I can get them. So that means that once I apply the preset, I don't want to have to make any more changes. That way I can just kind of apply it universally to all the photos that I took that day, and then don't have to go out and back and edit them individually. I know some people use presets as like a foundation base, and then they make their edits on top of the preset, and that's fine. But for me, I like to make them like film simulations. And I also like to make them universally applicable in the sense that, you know, some presets you use, they look great in sunlight, but then if you take them under like incandescent lighting or interior lighting, they look bad and they turn skin tones a terrible color, right? I've made a few presets like that in the past. But I really strive to make presets that look good under all lighting conditions, and I think that's where this one shines. At least I like the way that it turned out. So at the end of the video, I'll tell you where to get it. And you can download it for free. There are no strings attached, nothing, you know, not tricking you into anything. So here are the sample photos. I hope you like them. I'll be back in a second. All right, so I hope you enjoyed those photos. Now, the vast majority of those were taken on my Ricoh GR III. So if you're shooting RAW files on a Ricoh, then you'll know that your output is going to be somewhat similar, very similar to what I've got here. So you can get this preset for free as a Lightroom preset. You can download the whatever kind of file that is on my website. There's a link down in the description below, and that should take you right where you want to go. You'll also be able to find a few reviews that I've done and a bunch of Ricoh GR III film recipes that you can input directly into your camera and shoot JPEG if that's something that you're into. So I hope you enjoy this one. Let me know if you like the results, and happy shooting. Hopefully I'll see you next week for something else. All right, take care, bye.